what is acupuncture? If you can give us some idea on that.
Acupuncture is a treatment methodology. Use needles, insert into the body. According to Chinese medicine, it's insert to the energy channels to help body restore its original balance of yin and yang. Traditional Chinese medicine developed in China for more than 5,000 years and practiced all the way to date.
Okay.
Acupuncture started to gain the popularity in the 1970s since President Nixon visited China. Then the West started to know Chinese medicine, acupuncture. Ever since then, acupuncture has been increased popular in all Western countries.
Okay.